Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Enervon Multivitamins. To begin, ensure you have the correct Enervon product. These supplements are designed to support your daily nutritional needs and enhance your overall well-being. Always check the product label for specific instructions tailored to your chosen variant. This ensures you are taking the supplement safely and effectively for optimal benefits. For most adult formulations of Enervon, the recommended dosage is 1 tablet per day. It's best to take your tablet with or immediately after a meal. This can help with absorption and reduce the chance of stomach upset. Establishing a consistent routine, perhaps with breakfast, will help you remember to take it daily. Before starting any new supplement, including Enervon, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can advise if it's suitable for your specific health needs. Never exceed the recommended daily dose, as more is not always better and can lead to adverse effects. Store your Enervon in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Enervon multivitamins are formulated to provide essential vitamins and minerals, supporting your body's daily functions and boosting your overall health. Regular intake can contribute to improved energy levels and a stronger immune system. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.